Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks, but don't worry, we're keeping it super simple. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of how neural networks work. Let's get started. Imagine your brain. It's made up of billions of neurons that help you think, learn, and remember. A neural network in AI works in a similar way. It's a system designed to recognize patterns, make decisions, and learn from data. A neural network is made up of layers of nodes, also called neurons. There are three main types of layers: input, hidden, and output. The input layer is where the network receives information. Think of each node in this layer as a feature of the data you're feeding into the network. For example, if you're teaching the network to recognize handwritten digits, each node could represent a pixel in the image. Between the input and output layers, we have hidden layers. These layers do the heavy lifting, processing the information received from the input layer. The more hidden layers we have, the more complex patterns the network can learn. Finally, the output layer is where the network gives us its result. If we're recognizing digits, each node in this layer might represent a different digit from 0 to 9. Each neuron in a layer is connected to neurons in the next layer. These connections have weights, which are values that determine the strength of the signal being passed along. Think of weights like the volume control on your speakers, adjusting how loud or how quiet the signal is. Besides weights, we also have something called a bias. Bias is another value added to the input of a neuron to help the network make better predictions. It's like giving the network a little nudge in the right direction. So, how does a neural network learn? It starts by making a guess and comparing it to the correct answer. If it's wrong, it adjusts the weights and bias to improve. This process happens many times, allowing the network to learn from its mistakes and get better over time. Let's take a real-world example. If we're training a neural network to recognize handwritten digits, we'll show it thousands of images of digits, telling it the correct answer each time. The network adjusts its weights and biases, gradually improving until it can accurately recognize the digits. And that's it. Neural networks might sound complicated, but at their core, they're all about layers of neurons working together to learn from data. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.